Hello children, today your mom is here with you to tell you something about living things and non-living things. Living things are those which are alive and non-living things are those which have never been alive. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get set go! Living things and non-living things. A sad boy. He fell down and he got hurt. Oh my God. Now, what next? He has to climb a wall. And what he needs to do for that? He needs some energy drink. He's going to sip something and now he has grown up tall. Living things grow. Yes, the ones who are alive can grow by eating or drinking something. And living things can move also. Living thing can breathe also. Yes. What else living things can do? They can reproduce. That means they can give birth to their young ones. They can grow, they can move, breathe and reproduce. They all are called living things, the things that are alive. Animals too are alive, children. Yes, now the boy is sipping the milk. The calf who wanted to drink the milk is upset. Yes, children. Living things can show anger. They can show happiness. Living things can also feel emotions. See? The calf is angry. The boy is scared. Now he thinks of an idea. He shows this calf a lollipop. And now the calf is happy. And this is also one of the emotions. Coughing. Oh my God. They both are coughing. Now what? They both go to the tree. An old tree. The tree is not well. Yes, now they are going to call a Dr. Bird. Dr. Bird is here with a stethoscope. She's checking the old tree. Coughing. Oh my God. The tree is dead now. After growing and living for a long time, living things ultimately die. From where is this music can be heard? Wow, beautiful flowers. These all are living things. Human beings, animals, trees and plants. Plants cannot move from one place to another. That's right. But what they do? How they show their movement? They turn towards the sun. They face towards the sun. This is how they move. And hence, they are also living things. A scarecrow. Let us check whether it's living or non-living. It cannot move. The boy thinks of an idea. Yes, he wants to give this scarecrow energy drink. Oh, what is this? Not able to sip? He cannot eat, he cannot drink, so he cannot grow also. Now he is again calling Dr. Bird. And the bird is on her way. Comes here. Checks. And what she says? That it cannot breathe. That means that what does it mean? It is not alive. It does not have parents also. Yes, things which cannot grow, cannot move, cannot breathe, and cannot reproduce are non living things. They do not have any kind of life in them. See, examples of non living things: these rocks, this bucket, water. Everything is non living. They have never been alive.